When you're driving a BMW M4 and you say the Mercedes ahead looks good, then it's time to showcase this car's rage mode. Rage mode, that is, come on, press M2 to switch to combat status. Downshift, downshift, downshift again. Engage rage mode. Let's go. So satisfying. This is one of the two sounds men love the most. Now, who looks good? You look good. You look good. There's a shiny one ahead. The only Xiaomi SU7 Max. Say hi. This Xiaomi looks good. Probably a young lady. Don't mess around. Give it some gas. Comfortable. This is the joy of an internal combustion engine. Hello everyone, I'm Wong Luffy. Bros, we're back for an immersive experience of this M4's rage mode. That is. Today, let the girlfriend in the passenger seat start it up. I'm on it. Ignition. This sound is still so pleasing. Brothers. Also, we'll try something more interesting on the road today. I'll explain it to you later. Let's go. The most handsome man in the whole neighborhood is heading out to have fun again. Oh, this Volkswagen has been repainted green. There's a white Lamborghini ahead. Haven't seen it driven before. If you don't drive it, let me drive it. What a waste. We're warming up the car in comfort mode now. Both oil temperature and tire temperature need to warm up. Otherwise, you can't drive aggressively. Plus, I had a cold recently and haven't driven for several days. M1 is really addictive. The feel of the steering wheel in your hands is awesome. Especially the M steering wheel. Feels so good. Okay. Let's pass this roundabout first. We can step on it more freely and happily on the highway. A heads up, bros. Fixed camera position for the entire video. Safe, legal, and video showcases the roar of the internal combustion engine, not in the joy of driving. What was that fun thing mentioned earlier? It's about the girlfriend in the passenger seat. If she sees a car she likes or thinks looks good on the road, all she has to do is point at it and we'll give it a set today. Okay. No problem, right? No problem. Come on, brothers. The show begins. Check tire temperature, oil temperature, all good. Press M2. Switch to sport dynamic. Downshift, downshift again. Downshift again. Exhaust pop. Hold on. Oh, gantry camera, ease off the gas. Don't rush. There's road work on the side. Pay attention to the surroundings, don't speed. Good road work on the left, change lane to the right. Watch the road conditions. No hurry, must practice defensive driving. That's a good point, a little BYD seal. Exhaust pop, give it a set. Come on. Folks, go. Don't get stuck in a cluster of traffic. Get out as soon as possible. Cab, overtaking, taxi, overtaken. This Tesla is changing lanes. Be careful. Another BMW with the green plate on the right front. Too many cars ahead. Let's skip past it. Okay, one button clears the big truck. Let's go. Overtaken. Ace. Tesla still using the turn signal. Should have checked the rear view mirror before doing that. Okay, much fewer cars here now. Nice, a Mercedes on the right front. This one looks good. Okay, let's give it a set. Slowly follow and say hello. Check temperature. Press M2. Switch to sport dynamic shift. Downshift again. Exhaust pop. Wow, smells so good inside. Give it gas. Overtaken. Tesla overtaken. Coach overtaken too. This sound is so pleasing. Brothers, that Mercedes ahead. Charge. Let's arrange it. Press N. Instant transformation. Downshift again. Maintain a safe distance. Get close. Baby, you smell so good. Miss, I'm overtaking you. Find a chance to overtake that Mercedes GLS ahead of her. Overtaken. Can't bother others. Please don't imitate, brothers. It's fine to have your own fun, but don't affect others. See, I just passed by briefly. Xiaomi. Here it comes. Lift off the gas. Brake, don't speed. Let's see what model of Xiaomi this is. Standard or Max? It's a Max. Xiaomi car owners are usually young people. We can directly get close to it with one button. Say hello. Get close. Baby, you smell so good. Find an opportunity. Get ready to go right. Showtime. Overtaken. Good, back to the romantic tunnel segment with a Tesla. Come on, slow down. Because I'm going to downshift. Come on. Go. Little Lambo, here I come. Hee hee, but this tunnel is a bit short. We'll continue later. This Xiaomi looks good. And the little Tesla, arrange it. Press M2 to transform. Downshift again. Downshift again. This guy's stance is really good. Go over and get close to him. It says Xiaomi SU7 on the back. And the car looks quite new. Probably a young lady, but new car prices drop fast these days. I bought a used one on purpose. Can still get 10K back. Baby, you smell so good. Oh, turning. Plane hard to get. I'm running away first. Baby, don't mess around. Overtaken, overtaken. Little pink, little pink. I'm coming. Go get close to the little pink one. Baby, you smell so good. This little pink Tesla, I feel the owner is also a woman. Change lane to the left. Overtaken, overtaken, comfortable. Alright brothers, heading home now. A woman might not feel much seeing this, but guys would probably take a second look. This Cadillac is probably modified. H-Squad exhaust, and these wide fenders are probably also modified. Right. Does Cadillac have such wide fenders? Whether it's modified or not, the appearance is quite cool and good. Let's offer the highest courtesy among men. Instant transformation. Showtime. Okay, overtaken. Even roll down the window. Please don't imitate. Brothers, okay. Back to the tunnel segment, everyone loved. Come on, let's slow down gradually first. Because we need to downshift inside the tunnel. Good. Press M2 for instant transformation. Prepare to downshift. Listen carefully to the change with each downshift. Good, don't speed. Come on, let out a pop. To the right, give it another rev. He braked, we brake urgently too. Continue downshifting, pop pop. Right lane blocked by this white car. Change lane. Let's go. Give it another rev. Good. Watch the brakes. Don't speed. Li Sheng on the right front. Prepare to get close to it. Change lane to the outside. Let out a pop. Because we need to prepare to exit on the right front. So keep to the right. Good. First, yield speed and lane to the coach. Be polite. Come on, keep steady on the gas. Give a bit. Tunnel, exit ahead. Give it a rev to find the rhythm. Pay attention to safety. Go. Good. Watch the deceleration. Exiting the tunnel. After exiting here, I originally wanted to switch back to comfort mode, but look, on the left front, see it. Not a motorcycle. It's a black Camaro. No. A black Beat Go. Exhaust pop. Say hello. Go. Follow it. Get close to it. Stick close. Baby, you smell so good. That motorcycle is running pretty fast. There's a Geely Geometry E on the right and a Tesla, an Audi on the left. Let them hear the roar of the lion. Good. Overtaken. Overtaken. Give him a set. See if there's a chance on the right. No. Go back. Go back. Change lane to the left. Go. Overtaken, overtaken. This Mercedes also overtaken, overtaken. Okay, that's it for today's show. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and favorite to support. See you in the next video. Bye.